Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Yousuf and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Yousuf Solves. This is my first video ever on YouTube and I am here to solve some key questions of financial management course which are generally form part of post graduation or master's degree program. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos with your fellow students or who are taking these academic courses or with your fellows or peers or colleagues who want to learn some basic and key concepts of financial management. Also, if you have any query or question which you want me to solve or make videos for you, please drop me a comment on the below so that I can try to support you. You can also send me an email to my email address which is given in the description below. Without any further discussion, let's jump to the question directly. So today we are going to touch base some of the concepts of the present value as to how the present value is calculated. In today's video, we are only focusing on the present value that we have to calculate for at a given point in time. So it does not have any recurring intervals or any recurring payments which might be falling under our duration for which we are calculating the present value. So the question we have is the following are exercise in present values. A $100 at the end of 3 years is worth how much today? Assuming the discount rate of scenario 1 100%, scenario 2 10% or scenario 3 0%. So let's solve this one. We will first jot down the data that is available to us from the question. We need to calculate the present value. Fair value is $100. Number of years which are n is 3 years. The first scenario is we should assume the interest rate of 100%. So for this purposes, we will be using the formula of present value, which is present value equals to future value 1 upon 1 plus I की power n. This formula is also referred generally, or sometimes you can find this formula in this way in the books, which is written as fair value 1 plus I minus n. So they both are the same formula and they both are the same function, but for the purpose of clarity and for the purpose of easiness, we will be using this formula. Okay, so let's add the values in the formula. Present value equals to $100, 1 upon 1 plus I is 100%, n is 3 years, PV equals to 100, 1 upon 2 power 3, PV equals to 100, 1 upon 8, PV equals to 1 into 0.125, PV equals to $12.5. So we are saying in present value terms, my $100 after 3 years at 100% will become $12.5 today. Okay, so let's go to solve second part of the question where we will assume I equals to 10%. We'll use the same formula. PV equals to fair value 1 upon 1 plus I, n. PV equals to 100, 1 upon 1 plus 10%, 3 here, PV equals to 100, 1 upon 1.1 power 3. We'll solve this thing, which will become as 1.1 power 3 is 1.331. So PV equals to 100, 1 upon 1.331, PV equals to 100, 0.751315. So PV equals to 75.1315 dollars. So this is the question of second year or second scenario where we had the interest rate of 0%. So let's move to third scenario where we are assuming interest rate of 0%. So we'll use again the same formula. PV equals to fair value 1 upon 1 plus I upon N. PV equals to 100, 1 upon 1 plus 0% upon 3. PV equals to 100 into 1 upon 1 power 3. PV equals to 100. If we solve this equation, our answer will become 1 only. So the PV equals to $100. So before we move back to before we conclude today's session, I want to present you 3 scenarios. Okay, in these scenarios, in first scenario, our interest rate was 100%, it was 10%, it was 0%. Our future values were the same in all 3 cases, but our N were same for 3 years. However, our present values were significantly different. In case we were saying that our PV is 10%, interest rate is 100%, our fair value was $12.5. Our present value was $12.5. $12.5. Where we're saying our interest rate was 10%, our PV came as $75 approximately $75. And we said if the PV is my 0, so my present value is 100%. So from here we can demonstrate that if my interest rate is going up, if my I is going up, so my PV will go down, considering everything constant. So if my interest rate goes up, then my present value will go down, or vice versa. if my interest rate goes down, my present value will go up. Again, if where my interest rate is 100%, just let me select some other cell. Yeah, if our interest rate is 100%, then my PV is 12.5%. Where my interest rate is 10%, my dollar value for PV is 75%. Where my interest rate is 0, my PV is equals to my fair value. Okay, thank you very much guys for joining today's for watching this video. Definitely we will be coming back with more and more solutions of these concepts. Until then, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.